Welcome back on my YouTube channel. I am Gonay, and in today's video we are back for a new recipe. This is some kind of an Insta trend, or is it only on Instagram? I don't know, but I've seen that like everywhere on Instagram, so I'm going to call this an Insta trend. So I don't have anybody in particular to quote for this recipe because I've seen so many different options that I kinda remembered pretty much how it was, and I did what I remembered. I don't even know how you could call that, but I would probably call this something like a Snickers updated rice cake, or an updated rice cake, or a sneaker rice cake, or something like this. I think I've seen someone calling it like this, but I'm not 100% sure. So let's not talk about how to call this any longer, because all we need to know is this good and how to do it. Let's go. For this recipe, you'll need rice cake, nut butter of your choice, chocolate, and everything that follows after this is optional, nuts of your choice, and coconut oil. How to say this? This is genius. It's simple, it's super good, and it's healthy. I do recommend 100%. It's a huge yes for me. I ate only one of these and I was not hungry anymore. Once again, all you need is a microwave, and it was only to melt the chocolate. Plus, you can prepare this in advance if you want. You can keep this in the fridge, which is really cool for sunny days and warm weather. I have some few tips for you guys. I highly recommend you to let the edges of the rice cake uncovered. It would be easier for you to take it. And also, in my version, I added a little bit of coconut oil and it was really good. I highly recommend you to try this version, except if you don't like coconut, of course. I think the nuts that I added in this, for me it was cashew nuts, but you can add whatever you want. I think it was also really interesting to add this because it adds consistency to this recipe. When you're eating that, even if it's healthy, you don't feel like you're restricting yourself. The taste was amazing. I'm so happy I tried this one. I will conclude with if you're not being allergic or whatever, if you don't hate any of those ingredients, I highly recommend you to give this a try. That was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss my next videos, may it be recipes or workouts or many other stuff that I'm planning to propose on this YouTube channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, everything. And I shall see you guys in my next videos. Love you. Mwah.